Yes, last video continuation. Today, power problem we have. See the first question again. In a manufacturing company, three machines A, comma B and C respectively. 20% of produce A, 30% produce B, 50% produce C of the total product. The defective products of A, comma B, comma C are 5%, 3%, 2% is given. If an article produced the company is selected at random, found to be defective, it is found to be defective. You have to select one article, that article is defective. Then find the probability that it is produced the mission B, they are asking. Producing from the B. P of A is given 20%, P of B is given 30%, P of C is given 50%. I will take the D be the event, let D be the event defective. That means P of D by A, defective in the A, how much percentage is given? 5%. P of defective in the B, they given 3%. P of defective in the C, 2% they given. Then find the probability, it will come from the B. So probability of defective in B is equal to, you can say the probability of B than the defective, D by B. It will come from the A, or probability of defective in A, or probability of B into probability of defective in B, probability of C into probability of defective in C by the Bayes theorem. You have to substitute the values. 30 into 3 by 20 into 5 plus 30 into 3 plus C is a 50 into 2. Denominator 10 common, numerator 10 cancel, numerator remaining you have 9 by 10 plus 9 plus 10. That is 9 by 29, you have the answer. 9 by 29 is the answer. Coming to next question. The variance of a random variable x is given. The variance of the random variable x is asking. The random variables contain -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Corresponding probabilities 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. They are given. First, before that, you have to find the mean. You have to find the mean, mu. Mean means sigma xi, probability of xi. That is a -2 into 1 by 6, -1 into 1 by 6, plus 0 into 1 by 3, plus 1 into 1 by 6, plus 2 into 1 by 6. Get cancel everything, we get 0. So mean mu equal to 0. Variance equal to sigma xi square into probability of x equal to xi minus mu square. So xi square means -2 whole square into 1 by 6 plus -1 whole square into 1 by 6 plus 0 square into 1 by 3 plus 1 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 square into 1 by 6 minus 0 square. This is a 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 0 plus 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6. 8, 10 by 6. 10 by 6 means you have 2 5s are 2 3s are. 5 by 3 is the answer. Copy that problem. See, next question. Given that a man hit the target with gun, is given 1 by 3. Probability of hit the target is 1 by 3. So I will take the A, let A be the event, hit the target. they given P of A equal to 1 by 3 means success. I will take the success event P. Then Q equal to 1 minus P, that is a 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Success event is the hit the target. Given a man hit the target with gun is 1 by 3. If he fires 8 times, that experiment he is doing the 8 times. So n is the number of times he did the experiment, 8. Probability of hitting the target at least twice. At least twice means probability of x greater than equal to 2 by the binomial distribution. I will do this is the 1 minus probability of x less than 2. That means 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1. That is the 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 means nc 0 q power n minus 0 p power 0 plus nc 1 q power n minus 1 p power 1. N is 8. So that is the 1 minus 8c0. Q value is 2 by 3 whole power. 8 minus 0 is 8. Something power 0 is 1. 8c1. Q power, that is 2 by 3 whole power. 8 minus 1, 7. P is the 1 by 3. So this is the 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power 8. Less into minus minus. 8c3 means 8. I will multiply and divide by 2. Then this becomes a 2 by 3 whole power 8. 2 4 0. 4 times minus 1 time. Minus 1 time minus 4 time minus 5 times. That is a 1 minus 5 into 2 by 3 whole power 8 is the answer. Copy the question. Coming to next question. A die is formed so that the probability of getting a number I when it is rolled proportional to I is proportional to I is given. I is proportional to I. That means I will take like I equal to K into I. I equal to where I equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Again I am repeating. The probability of getting a number I, P of I is proportional to I. That is a P of I equal to Ki. So by the random variables I equal to what is given, x equal to xi. I contain the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P of x equal to xi. So P of I proportional to I. That means P of I equal to I. That is a k into 1k, k into 2 2k, k into 3 3k, k into 4 4k, k into 5 5k, k into 6 6k. We know sum of the all probabilities is equal to 1. That means k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 5k plus 6k equal to 1. 11 11 15 18 21k equal to 1. That implies k equal to 1 by 21. Now they are asking the probability of getting an odd number. Probability of getting odd number. That means probability of odd number means x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 5. At x equal to 1 we have k. At x equal to 3 we have 3k. At x equal to 5 we have 5k. At total is 9k. That is 9 by 21. 3 3 is 3 7 is 3 by 7 is the answer. Copy that problem. See the next question. A problem is given to 3 students. A problem is given to 3 students A, B, C, whose chances to solve the problem is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 respectively. Probability of A solve the problem 1 by 2. Probability of B solve the problem 1 by 3. Probability of C solve the problem 1 by 4 is given respectively. Then the probability of the problem being solved exactly one of them. If all 3 members try independently. They are asking the question, probability of problem will solve the problem exactly 1. That means if A solve the problem, B and C not solve the problem. B complement into C complement. Suppose if B solve the problem, that means A and C not solve the problem. P of A into P of B complement. Sorry, P of A complement into P of B into P of C complement. If C solve the problem, A and B not solve the problem. P of C. This is they asking. P of A is 1 by 2. That means P of A complement you have. P of A complement. That is 1 minus P of A, that equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Probability of B complement is 1 minus P of B, that is 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Probability of C complement is 1 minus P of C, that equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Exactly one solve the problem is either A solve the problem, B and C not solve the problem. If it is B solve the problem, A and C not solve the problem. If C solve the problem, A and B not solve the problem. Substitute the values. 1 by 2 into P of B complement you have 2 by 3. Into C complement you have 3 by 4. Plus A complement you have 1 by 2. P of B is given 1 by 3. C complement you have 3 by 4. Plus A complement you have 1 by 2. B complement 2 by 3. C have 1 by 4. LCM we can take 2 3 is 6 6 4 are 24. 6 plus 3 plus 2. That is 11 by 24 is the answer. Copy that formula. Coming to next question. A random variable x has the following distribution: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is given. At 0 probability, 1 probability, 2 probability, 3 probability, 4 probability, 5 probability, 6 probability, 7 probability is given. We know the sum of all probabilities equal to sigma xi. Probability of xi equal to xi equal to 1. That means 0 plus sum of all probabilities equal to 1. 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equal to 1. That is totally you have 10k square, 3k, 5k, 8k, 9k, minus 1 equal to 0. Factorization you have to do 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 equal to 0. 10k common, k plus 1, minus 1 common, k plus 1, k plus 1 common, 10k minus 1 equal to 0. Then k not equal to minus 1. K is always positive quantity. Since if it is the k is a negative quantity, probability will come, the negative quantity will come. That is the reason you are not taking the k value negative. K equal to 1 by 10. K not equal to minus 1. The asking probability of 0 less than x less than 6. That means probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 5. At x equal to 1 they given k. At x equal to 2 they given 2k. At x equal to 3 is given 2k. At x equal to 4 is given 3k. 5 is given k square. Is the k square plus 3, 5, 8k. That is 1 by 100 plus 8 by 10. 81 by 100 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to last problem for today class. A coin is tossed n times. If the probability of getting at least one head is greater than 0.8 is given. I will take the P is the probability of getting head when one coin is tossed 1 by 2. Then Q equal to 1 minus P, that is the 1 minus 1 by 2, that equal to 1 by 2. Now the probability of getting at least one head means x greater than or equal to 1 is greater than 0.8 is given. Probability of x greater than or equal to 1, I will write probability of x less than 1 is greater than 0.8. X less than 1 means I will take the x equal to 0. So 1 minus NC0 1 by 2 whole power n is greater than 0.8. P of x equal to R formula we know. NCR Q power n minus R P power R. P and Q both are equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole power n minus R into 1 by 2 whole power R. That is 1 by 2 whole power n. Substitute in this. NC0 means 1. 1 minus 0.8 is greater than 1 by 2 power n. So 1 by 2 power 0, this is a 0.2 is greater than 1 by 2 whole power n. That means 2 by 10 is greater than 1 by 2 power n. 1 by 5. So the cross multiplying 2 power n is greater than 5. Is true only when n should be greater than or equal to 3. So they are asking the least value of n. Therefore, least value of n equal to 3. Least value of n equal to 3. Copy that problem. Again, we'll meet tomorrow, Nana. Next class, we'll solve the matrices. Matrices, you have to follow the class.